Hello and welcome. I wasn't going to show this model or unbox it, so I was only going to build it in the background. But I decided to start building it, so it's kind of a little bit ahead of its game. But I'll show you what we got coming up. Here. We have the Yamaha YZF R1. I don't normally do bike kits, but I've seen this and seen other builds on Facebook and YouTube, and the quality of these kits is outstanding, to be honest with you. So let's have a look what's in the box. As I said, I have kind of started building that. I'll attach that to the end of this video, so you can see what progress I've made so far. So here it is, the Tamiya Yamaha YZF R1. It's in a 1/12 scale. It's a nice size. Right, the picture art on here is, very good. I do like this kind of bike. I wish I had got my own bike, but I never did. But it's overall, looking at the reviews on it, because it's about what, 98 or 99, something like that year that bike came out, and you got to admit though, it looks like a well designed bike, considering back then, design was good, but to now, but yeah, you just have to do it. It's a really nice looking bike. If I had a license on that, I'd probably buy one of these. And I know the real one is they're quite fast, very fast bikes. So let's have a look at what's in the box. As I said, I've built half this already, so I'll attach that to the end. Before I go on, don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. The more support I get, the more I'll continue upload videos. I do upload videos when I can. This is only a hobby. This is not full time, as I do other stuff as well, and family life, so it's quite hectic. But anyway, let's have a look what's got left in the box, because as I said, I've built this. Right, we got black sprue, a few bits of parts on there that are gone because they're already on that thing. Same with the grey one. Some parts are on there. And the actual frame, this is where the frame's on. It's not on here now, but I don't know if you can see the actual detail of it. Really see it, 'cause it's quite sunny out there. It's got the weld marks lines in there, and the quality of this is really good. There's another guy on another YouTube channel did bother painting this, and to be honest with you, I think I totally agree with him. Yeah, you probably know who you are if you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm not going to touch that, because I think it's very good quality, that is. And we got the flarings in here. They're still in the package, so I'm still got to get those down. I'm going to do the normal colours in this. This is my first bike build, so I'm not going to sort of go over the top of it. A few little bits paint here, I may paint my own colour, but on the flaring side of it, it's going to be sort of white and red, as on the box. it comes with some tubes, little tubey things. Yeah, they're pretty good. And wheels, yeah, they're actually rubber wheels, squishy. There's a line in there, but I might just, oh, this one, he seems to be like, you can lightly sand it down and just get rid of that line, so you don't have like a little joint in it. But the front tyre, I can't see any, on this particular one, any sort of like mold line in there at all. It just looks like a normal road tyre. So that's good in there. That's where the tyres came in. You've got the clear parts in here, the screen, the front headlamps thing, and yeah, we've got the decals as well, all in there, all nicely put in there. Instructions are very straightforward. Start. It comes with a little bike stand. I'll just remove this box out of the way. In there. Right. It comes with an actual bike stand. I will show you that on this one, this part of the video. I've already made that. So there we go. There's a little bike stand. Makes it easier to display. Yeah, so that'll go on there. Oh, there's I'm in the process of building this part. The spring belt in the back of the bike. Yeah, it actually has a metal spring on that. So I've shown that in my other video. There we go. As I said, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. It all helps. Making future builds. Yeah, so just keep modelling and have a good time wherever you're doing. Thank you very much. Bye. Hello. We have started building the Yamaha YZF R1 from Tamiya. This is a 1.2 scale model. As you can see, the background here, we have the frame partially built with the engine in, and the back part is done as also. At the moment, this kit is not too bad. Screws, there's little screws in here. I don't know if you can see it in there, there's a little screw in there. They're a bit fiddly, but you get there eventually. Overall, this is actually a nice kit, and hopefully we can put this all together and make it nice and look really nice. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not, click the buttons or anything like that. Please do, it does help me. Although I don't put a lot of videos up, I find the time, I don't do this full time, I just do it as a hobby, but I like to show my work, what I'm getting up to. Anyway, don't forget to like those buttons, share button and subscribe buttons, and yeah, and hope to see you soon.